Hello, this is David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I am standing on a newly listed brokerage boat. This is a 2017 Crownline E2X2. Has a 200 Yamaha outboard engine, very low hours, freshwater boat, one owner, only been on Lake Hopatcong. It does include the trailer. It's got snap-in carpet, full gauges with a Marine GPS system, a Polk audio system. Lake Hopatcong is halfway from New York City to the Delaware Water Gap in northern New Jersey. This boat has had all of its services performed and is ready for the next season. As you can see, we have flip-up armrests, we have a bow door, we have a head on the port side helm. We also have removable carpets, bow ladder in the back. As I mentioned before, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Lake Hopatcong is located in northern New Jersey, right in the center of the state. It's a freshwater lake, 54 miles of shoreline, 13 miles tip to tip. This boat's entire life has been on Lake Hopatcong. This boat is available at any time at MarineMax.com.